Hello, my little at-home learners. It's either Monday or Tuesday, depending on if you're blue or silver. And I wanted to talk through all of your tasks for today. It looks a little daunting, but I know you guys can do it if you read the directions and watch my videos and all that kind of stuff. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that you take attendance during class time. You need to copy the I wonder about the world picture into your form and add your questions and statements. Watch the video, which you're doing right now. Then the third or fourth thing in the lesson says log into EduFlow using the information from the video and this code. So you're actually going to follow this link. It's going to take you to EduFlow, which is where we're going. It's the platform that we're going to use to do our next ADI. So you're going to enroll in my science course. Okay. So once you're enrolled in my science course, you need to complete activity 1, which means that you're logging into a group. I have assigned you groups, and so there's an online ADI group document that I have linked. You can figure out which period you're in, and then you'll figure out, okay, so I'm period 6A or I'm period 6C. Those are your groups. So when you go back to activity 1 on EduFlow, it's going to ask you to log in to join a group. So once you're logged into EduFlow, your first activity is to join the group. You're going to use the online ADI form document that I just showed you. Then the second thing you need to do once you're in EduFlow is you're going to complete activity 2. It asks you to watch a video and what you notice. You've got to make a post. You've got to make a comment on that before you can move on. Then the last thing you need to do is you're going to read the lab introduction document that I've attached here, or it's right here. So you're going to read through the lab handout. We've looked at one of these when we did our other lab. Read through it, make some notes so that when you come back and you're working with your group, you've got some things that you can talk about. So another thing I wanted to show you was this part right here. I've added this part into your at home. This is 4 different links that you can use for resources for while we're doing this online experiment. So there's the EduFlow website. There is the code to get into my classroom. Once you get into my classroom, you shouldn't have to do it again. Then there's a link to the documents that shows what groups you're in. Then there is an individual activity explanation on the documents. And that is just basically a living document that says, okay, on day 1, if I'm silver, I'm doing activity 1 and 2. On day 2, if I'm blue, I'm doing activity 1 and 2. On day 3, no matter whether I'm blue or silver, I'm going to jump on a Google Meet and I'm going to do activity 2, 3, and 4 with my group. Okay. So down here, it tells explanations of what exactly is going to happen. What exactly you're going to need to turn in for that day, and just gives you a little bit of explanation. So I hope that it does look a little bit daunting, a little overwhelming, but you guys are going to do just fine. And you're going to get a chance to work in groups with somebody that's not always on the same day that you're in school. So you're going to meet some new people. Also, there's one person in your group that's going to need to set up a Google Meet for your group, because at the beginning of every period, whether you're at school or at home, you will be joining a Google Meet to have group time with your group. Okay. I can answer questions when you're back in the building. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you get activity 1 and 2 finished and you read through the lab introduction, and I will see you soon. Bye. Bye guys. Love you all.